Let's decorate a place card together. We are using a ready-make place card, textured paper and ribbon with golden leaves. Cut a piece of textured paper for the front of the card. You can either measure the size and draw lines on the paper, or fold it around the card to know what the correct size is. If you are making many cards, use this piece of paper as a template and cut many more pieces like this for the rest of the cards. Glue the textured paper onto the place card. Let the glue set. Cut a segment of ribbon with golden leaves that is long enough to decorate the place card. Apply glue to the back of the ribbon and place the ribbon over the edge of the textured paper at the front of the place card. Trim any remaining ribbon using scissors. You can write guest names with a metallic marker or with a calligraphy pen.